I'm going to show you how to make magnetic bookmarks using Canva. These bookmarks are not only practical, but they also add a touch of charm to your reading experience. First, open Canva and navigate to the search bar. Type magnetic bookmark design to kickstart your creative process. Canva provides a vast collection of pre-made templates that can be easily customized, so choosing your initial design is all about what resonates with your style and needs. Once you see your search results, take your time browsing through the different designs. This step is important because it helps you pick a template that best fits the vision you have for your bookmark. Don't worry, you can always change colors, text, and images later. After you've selected a template, click Customize this template. This opens a design in Canva's editor where the real fun begins. Here, you can adjust almost every element to suit your preferences. Let your creativity flow as you modify the template to make it uniquely yours. Whether you want soft, subtle colors, or bold, striking hues, this is your space to create a bookmark that reflects your personality. Next, focus on the text. Click on any text box in the template to edit the content. This is your chance to add a personal touch, a favorite quote, an inspiring message, or even a title that denotes ownership. Make sure it adds meaning to your bookmark and matches your overall design aesthetic. Once you are happy with the design and text, it's time to prepare your file for printing. Download your bookmark as a PDF for the best print quality. Print it on thicker paper or cardstock to ensure durability. To make it magnetic, simply attach small magnetic strips to both ends of the bookmark's interior. When you fold it over a page, the magnets will hold it securely in place. And there you have it. You've created a stylish, personalized, and functional magnetic bookmark using Canva. This is a fun and easy project that anyone can enjoy, and it's a perfect way to add flair to your reading sessions. Keep practicing, and soon you'll have an entire collection of bookmarks for all your favorite books. Thanks for joining me today, and happy crafting!